Hey everyone, I'm okpk and I'm a sound designer and producer. And for the last couple of years now, I've been working with the Elysia 500 series gear as part of my mix process and part of my creative process. And what I thought it might be cool to do is to put together a series of videos that show not just how this equipment can be used in the mix process, so sort of problem solving and all of that, but how it can be used as a creative tool because it has a lot of very deep features that you can use as part of your sound design. And I haven't seen a lot of content online that really focuses on that. So I think there's a lot of stuff already that shows that it's fantastic for mix tools and problem solving in the mix and all of that. But I wanted to put together a series of videos on how I use it in getting everything to sound like I want in a mix from the point of view of what can this voice do to maximally evoke whatever feeling the song is trying to get, whatever feeling the track is trying to get. So big changes to the sound. And what I've done is I'm working with a group called Cathedral Bloom. I write beats for them. And we've got this track called Looking Glass Mask that I've been working on the mix for. And I put together a series of videos where we look at each part of the mix. And I'm going to be using the elysia equipment not just to solve problems, but also to really change what the sounds of the different voices in the mix are to get them how I hear them in my head, basically, and to try and really make the song feel the way that I want it to feel. So I'm going to be looking at 5 videos: drums, bass, lead lines, and some textures. And then the last video is kind of a dramatic before after whole mix sort of thing. So you can see how far the whole process comes when you're using this stuff. And I just hope that they're not super in-depth videos, but it's more just a case of getting a sense of what the equipment can do and how you can use it in a creative way. So whether you have some and hadn't thought about using this before, or if you're being kind of curious about elysia equipment or whatever really, then I hope these are kind of useful in maybe seeing a side of it that hasn't been super well represented, at least online yet. So hope they're useful. And we're going to start with the drums.